subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. So today I am going to a event. Basically, it's like a all the homegrown brands would come there. So Lil Flea Mumbai 2026. I'm going there for the first time. I have no clue what it is about, and मैं जा रही हूँ जानवी और पृथा के साथ. So yeah, I'm excited and I'm wearing this cute dress. So it's like a mini skirt and then white top और उसके साथ एक cute से bag. But yeah, excited. Guys, finally I've met Janvi and Pritha is also here.
मैं और ईशा हम प्लान किया है, उससे ज़्यादा हम मिल रहे हैं. So thumbs up for that.
But yeah, can you tell about the event? I have
Oh, she can tell us because she has come here before.
Lil Flea is a flea market. ठीक है, इसमें there are like a lot of homegrown brands that put their stalls and music, food, amazing food,
food. I just heard food. But yeah,
मतलब जैसे ये जो क्या बोले ज्वेलरी एंड क्लोथिंग ब्रांड्स होता है ना, वो यहाँ पे होता है. So you get like good stuff here.
yes. But we are all dressed white by the way, and सबका cute outfit. We'll show you the outfits now. Wait, the fit, newly married.
I come with my
accessories. So cute. Pritha का मुझे बहुत pretty लगा. pretty. क्यों हम दोनों She's been here before. Oh, that's why. Pritha is like हम पहले जाते हैं और ग्लिटर आर्ट कराते हैं. ब्रो पीछे तेरे बादशाह आ रहा है. How do you...
फुकट में आएगा तो भी नहीं जाऊँगी.
Oh my God, controversial statements मत दीजिए.
But hate comments
It's fine.
डालोगे तो भी engagement मिलेगा ना, तो
हाँ.
डालना भाई.
बट फिर भी इतना सुंदर है. पीछे देख. Finally, glitter bar.
Shine
Pritha suggestion. We need to do glitter art first.
शाइन करेंगे.
कहाँ करेंगे बट? तेरे तो मैं इधर माथे पे लगा.
मास्क ही बने नहीं मेरे को इधर.
Even I am thinking. Yeah. So which one do you pick?
I picked the half.
तुम्ही दोघांनी सेमच पिक केलं.
You're doing the freckle one, bro.
I'm gonna get the
Freckle done? No problem. Can I have an email?
Janvi is getting the freckle art.
Which color do you want to get?
Oh, so cute. This is when you blush.
कैसा लग रहा है ईशा? चमकने वाली है तो एकदम.
Now wait and watch.
देखा?
Your name?
Sarah.
She has done the best job and I love it. I love your art as well. I've got it done. Janvi looks pretty as always. मेरे यहाँ पे दिख रहा है.
Yes, Isha looks pretty as always. Yes, of course. ऐसी ही.
पृथा का एकदम से चमक रहा है. आँखों में चमक रहा है.
चमक रही हो तुम.
Yeah.
फूड से पार.
I think food is there.
Roaming. I have no clue where we are going, bro.
दादर.
What the hell? She's saying दादर के मार्केट में ऐसा लग रहा है. आपको फेस्टिवल का भी बता देती हूँ. Contemplating कि what should we get, but this ma'am is not able to decide. But her art looks so good कि मैं उसको चिल्ला भी नहीं सकती. It looks cute, bro. ये मेरा मैच करा nails से, है ना? मेरा आर्ट तो दिख ही नहीं रहा क्योंकि मैंने चश्मा पहन लिया. Gone for the house cold coffee. What have you gone for?
I have gone for the iced mango matcha because matcha is seasonal.
As usual. What about you?
मैं ड्रिंक से लूँगी.
क्या रिप्लाई था एकदम
क्या लिए?
स्ट्रेट कर. मैं ड्रिंक से लूँगी. तो हमने ये ले लिया है. या फाइनली
ये इसका कॉफ़ी बहुत अच्छा होता है बिकॉज इट्स ऑल ओवर.
अभी इसने बोला है, अभी मैंने पिया और मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा.
इसको नहीं लग सकता है मीठा चीनी वाला कॉफ़ी पी दिया. इतना चीनी डालते हैं इसमें.
So bro, that's jaggery. But like so
कैश है मेरे पास.
trying it. Brutal. Nice. Taste test guys. Taste test guys.
नॉर्मल वो था आपको
Yum.
Really good. This is the spot guys. Matcha है guys.
Wow. Wow, shampoo wow. We'll try.
And please give good review. गाइस प्लीज कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ईशा. उसको पहली बार matcha अच्छा लगा है.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
By the way, I've tried it for the first time, but it's okay. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि पत्तियाँ खा रही हूँ मैंने.
निकल चल.
ठीक था guys. ठीक था. अच्छा की एक बात है कि I would only drink it like one sip. एक से भी पी सकती
उसके बाद वो नाम रखना
उसके
शुरू
बाद
कर देती है. तो
उसके बाद वही वो घास जैसा टेस्ट आ रहा है पूरा.
घास ही है.
Sorry matcha lovers. Sorry if I'm offending you.
I am only matcha lover.
Yeah, she is the matcha lover.
Give it up for Jenny, come on, make some noise!
Pritha has got tiramisu latte. हम भी दिख रहे हैं वीडियो में. मैंने अभी डिस्कवर बढ़िया. Influencer is influencing पहले.
Am is the
नहीं, Pritha is also like she is also influencer ना. Banging. So good. Yum. भूखी 100 साल की भूखी है ये.
गुड. सच बोल.
और the wait she waited almost half an hour I think. आधा घंटा वेट किया है. But इससे बहुत better है.
I love matcha.
I hate matcha. Do you like matcha? We are besties now. Something I would like to do. Leave a secret and read a secret.
Who knows us here?
Yeah, कर
क्या
लेते
secret
हैं.
डालें?
क्या secret डाले? कुछ बचा ही नहीं है like.
हम दोनों का तो
If you know, you know.
if you know
You know. अभी हम घूम रहे हैं finally. We have taken a lot of pictures.
and now we are in piece of jewelry and Isha.
I'm gonna shop for one piece of jewelry. This is our first shop for the day. So cute. But do you need gold? Very pretty. What about this in the earring? Piece of jewelry is done by Pritha. You didn't show, bro. Which one are you getting? So pretty. I love this. Looks really pretty. But I'm thinking I need a teal blue color. If I get it in teal blue, I'll get it. But yeah.
You like?
Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks
So
good.
the like one stack is for 2,000 rupees. I'm gonna tell you the price as well. अगर किसी को इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो चाहिए, she got. मैं कि मैं so pretty, really pretty. Yeah, loving it. ये देखो, one piece of jewelry is done. How many more are you gonna get? चलो बजट के हिसाब से चलना पड़ेगा.
बजट भी है और टॉप.
Yeah, let's go. This one. Hand embroidery took 45 days to make. Wow, 18,800. You should start. Yeah, it's so nice. That's why it's so expensive.
एक दिन लूँगी ब्लॉग पे मैं बोल रही हूँ.
Manifesting. ऐसे छाप दूँ. Excited. Prutha is so excited. She's looking at the mirror. When Prutha finds the mirror, she's gonna take a picture. So we are here. I love it. It's made by her. Love the art. That's the best piece I saw. This one. These are like waterproof stickers for your phone or cover. The best. Yeah, we can take this one. One for my phone.
That is what I was saying.
And I can read does not.
So these are 70 rupees and these are 100. Love them. We are gonna take one. Which one are you gonna get? Janvi is gonna get this one, I think.
Maybe or this.
Yeah, I love this one.
You can wear and see as well.
Maybe Janvi, we are interested. I'm getting this one. We will really cute. Which one are you getting now?
I'm gonna get this because it's about growth.
Getting this one. Heart on the beach.
आणि मी एक
Represents her. But I love her art, guys. The sun views too. So pretty.
My
Yeah.
heart is always on the beach.
So cute. Cute. Prutha का heart is like चटाक एकदम चमक रहा है. Rickshaw. उसका फ्यूचर है रिक्शा. That's why she's taken rickshaw.
मैनिफेस्ट कर रही हूँ रिक्शा में.
रिक्शा. ये क्या मैनिफेस्ट कर रही है? रिक्शा में बैठने का मैनिफेस्ट कर रही है.
के बाद रिक्शा चला. रिक्शा वाला के बाद
Like
Yeah. But yeah. Love the art. I found like a tiny coloring book. These are like fridge magnets. For a laptop, trying my best.
I wear my
I got
heart
the
on my tiny coloring book and trying my best sticker.
So cute.
Very cute.
this side. Oh, this side.
Wow.
मस्त है रे.
Huh?
मेरे बचपन में मिलता था ऐसा.
Piece of jewelry.
Because I'm a jewelry addict.
But yeah, she'll show now. Show me all your rings. Wow. Sundar. And love the nails. Going for this one, guys.
How much?
It's really cute. Wow.
1,000.
Ring of them. Love them. And they are so pretty as well. What's your name?
Really?
Yeah, you look beautiful. Yeah. And this ma'am is still deciding. Earrings liya hai ma'am apne?
1,500.
1500 ka earrings.
But I think
It's worth.
it's
It's a statement piece, na? So it looks good. These, I love the color of them. Color pata?
like red hai.
Show it from the side. Wow. Oops. 1500 गिर गए. कैसे गिरा दिए bro? Love it. Like live caricature, bro.
They draw you.
Wow. So cool. Absolutely love the art. So cute. It's bespoke art by Storied Objects. So pretty.
Lilith is here.
Very abstract. How much are these for?
350.
So cute.
I think we'll get one.
Yeah. Janvi is obsessed with crochet.
Do they have ladies?
Only
But looks. Show side mein.
How is your Lilith experience?
Too good, and it was worth coming here because I thought कि like what would it be? It would be a small event, but नहीं, homegrown brands के लिए like the and the thing they sell, like they are like not too expensive, like they're worth the money because obviously they are like made कुछ तो हाथ से बनाते हैं and they take like 45 days to make that particular statement or something like that. But yeah, well, it's too good. Thanks for the suggestions. Thanks for getting me here. And because Prutha doesn't like matcha, so I'm friends with her now.
Yes, matcha.
कोई ऑफेंड मत होना, सॉरी. कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं चाहिए. बट वी लव अ रिंग. अब थोड़ा शो ऑफ कर ले रिंग्स का. पृथा ने तो पूरा ही खत्म कर दिया, बिजनेस ही खत्म कर दिया.
ये मेरा जिंदगी है. पे नहीं हो रहा है भाई. कि this is the best time to get into start a business because there are people जो लेते भी है, people do invest money. जैसे हमने
Yeah.
देखो, हमने अब तक almost
कितनी जगह से अलग अलग चीजें
5 to 6,000 का stuff लिया, really good stuff.
Really good
So
stuff.
Isha Ward से.
I think we should do it, and we are manifesting it on my YouTube channel.
So that's something also. And I hope ईशा का YouTube channel like blows up also because वो इसका शादी का जो vlog था मेरा, सबने मुझे मैसेज कर करके बोला कि अरे बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. So
ये
she's a
guys is not paid.
Why bro?
जानवी
Why
naturally
paid?
मेरी तारीफ करती है, पता नहीं
Why
क्यों.
paid bro?
That's why I love her. The best lip gloss ever.
कौन सा है?
I don't know कौन सा है.
L'Oreal Paris.
जानवी का एक है. I don't know the shade, but it's so good. Same plum. We are tired.
Hungry.
No, yeah, I'm hungry. I'm hangry.
No, not angry yet.
Not hangry yet, but
अभी होगा but.
बहुत चलने का है. But now we are planning to just because battery be down and I forgot to get a power bank, so हम जाएंगे and we will chill and then what will we do? Eat, we'll chill and then we'll go. And then done for the day. कब मिलेंगे फिर?
अब next week.
So we are at a house of dough finally. What did you get?
One margarita and one fiyama.
Yeah.
Sourdough pizza.
Now we're waiting. अभी हम रुक रहे हैं. And I have only 19% बैटरी जिसमें मुझे घर भी पहुंचना है. ये देखो बिल. ये देखो टूट पड़ रही है भाई, टूट पड़ रही है. What is this, bro? खाते हैं.
How is it, guys?
Wow.
Too good.
Wow.
It melts in your mouth. I don't know if you can eat here, but it is sad.
पूरी दुनिया खा रही है, हम भी खाएंगे.
Let us enjoy. We have got Thai idli. अभी हम ट्राई करेंगे. टेस्ट टेस्ट, bro.
मैं करूँ?
Yeah. जानवी ट्राई करेगी. If Janvi approves, only then I will. Banging.
Very nice.
अभी चलेगा.
So good. So
हमने
good.
पिज़्ज़ा खाया.
फिर हमारा मन नहीं भरा because we're
I
Indian.
love Thai idli.
Same.
It's my favorite. और घी का जो तड़का है, क्या बताऊँ.
मजा आ गया.
मजा आ गई. अभी हम खाते हैं. और फ़ोन की बैटरी डेड हो गई है, बट आफ्टर दिस आई गो होम. वी कांट एंड अ डे विदाउट
बोबा. ईशा का फेवरेट पैशन फ्रूट वाला.
माय गॉड.
अच्छा है.
It's really good. It's sweet. That's what I expect from every drink.
Yeah.
Even coffee.
ईशा, let's do a throwback.
Yeah.
जब मैंने तेरे को एक बोबा पिलाया था.
Yeah. तो जानवी का एंगल देखो गाइस. उसका मुंह ऐसा बता रही है वो.
वो लोग कैसा था?
ब्लॉगिंग का थोड़ा मुझे सिखाना पड़ेगा.
सीख जाऊंगी.
आई लव्ड. इतना मैंने एंजॉय किया आज. हमने एक तो इतना हम शूट नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि मैम थोड़ा
हाँ.
हम एक तक शूट नहीं कर पाए.
हाँ.
बट वट एवर वी कुड वी डिड इट.
Yeah.
बहुत मज़ा आया. थैंक्स फॉर
अरे आई वांटेड. ईशा को मैं चाहती थी कि यार लिटिल, क्योंकि मैंने 2-3 बार मेरा मिस हुआ है, तो मैं सोचा ईशा, बिकॉज ईशा इज़ लाइक अ वेरी फन लविंग, उसको ये सब अच्छा लगता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई
बट
थॉट.
प्रूता वाज अ गाइड.
Yeah,
So big
true.
thanks.
It was her idea
अब
actually.
उसको लेते हैं. वो बेचारी वहाँ पे बैठी है.
Yes.
हम उसको भी लेते हैं थोड़ा वीडियो में. I think this card is very important. Why, bro? Why?
Because when you swipe this or tap this, इसी से हमको food मिलता है.
Yes.
They do not
They don't
accept
accept UPI.
UPI or
Like some of them they do, but this is what our guide told us.
नहीं guys.
She's
Yes,
tired.
मेरे
It
को
was
इसके
Pruta's.
पैसे नहीं मिले हैं, but ठीक है.
Because Pruta's idea कि
Yeah.
little flea हमको आना
Thanks,
चाहिए.
babe. Thanks.
So thanks.
We enjoyed a lot, and I had so much fun with her. Even though we were meeting for the second time, but it never felt that we are here for the second time. But yeah, we enjoyed. बस हमारा concert vibe रह गया थोड़ा, क्योंकि हम इतना हमने shopping किया.
हम लोग शॉपिंग ही कर रहे हैं.
पागल हो गए.
busy थे.
कॉन्सर्ट तो बाद में हो सकता है, बट शॉपिंग तो नहीं हो सकती.
Important. But you should try.
मैंगो एंड पैशन फ्रूट. आई थिंक एग्जिट इज.
Prutha
Actually
approved.
अच्छा है.
Prutha approved.
Actually अच्छा है.
अभी तू तेरा हो गया.
I'm
battery
official
चाहिए.
boba girl.
Yeah.
Girly pop.
OG of boba. Not milk boba.
Yes.
पानी boba.
पानी वो.
But for today, we enjoyed a lot. Hope you did, because थोड़े clips shoot कर पाए. But yeah, if you like the video, what should they do?
Like, share,
And
subscribe and comment as well.
अच्छा सिखाया मैंने बच्चों को.
Yes, training.
Until next
ये
video
ग्लासगो
में.
से ट्रेनिंग था, ये अभी न्यू है.
Yes, until next time.
Bye.